Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Ujana. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Facebook uploading other people's content. Since monetization became available to all, most people would love to make money on Facebook, but they don't actually know how to approach it because they feel they are not good content creators. So if you're one of those people who would love to make money on Facebook, but you feel or you think you're not a good content creator, this particular video is for you. This is one of the most complete tutorials you're going to find on the internet. So do well to stick to the end so that you will learn exactly how you can do it. The first type of video that I'm going to show you is the type of video that you see people put their face on a video while it is playing. They're actually not saying anything. That is actually the most simplest type of video to actually create. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. To get started, you need to find and download the videos that you will be re-uploading on Facebook. But the thing is, I won't be able to teach you how to download these videos from different social media platforms in this particular tutorial because it is against YouTube guidelines. But you can find the tutorial in my Telegram channel. So all you have to do is to click the link in the description to go get it. So once you've downloaded the video, the next thing is to put your face in the video. So how are you gonna do that? You can do that in two ways. So the first way to do it is to use screen recorder. So you can also go to Play Store and search for screen recorder. As you can see, there are tons of them to download from. All you have to do is to pick one which you prefer. Once you pick the one you prefer, I recommend you use Easy Screen Recorder actually. Once you download it to your phone, you need to open it and go to settings to make a few adjustments so that you have the best. So since you're not going to be speaking while the video is playing, you need to choose the internal microphone, meaning that the microphone is only going to capture the sound from the clip that you'll be playing. So once you've done that, you also want to turn the camera on because you want the app to capture your face while the video is playing. Now, once you've done this particular setting, the next thing to do is to click on the record button, the red icon. Once you click on the red icon to start recording, the next thing is to head to your gallery and find the video that you downloaded. Play the video while recording your screen. You can position your face to put it in a place where it's not going to distract the viewers and allow the video to play. So once the video is done playing, all you have to do is to hit the stop recording icon. Once you hit the stop recording icon, the recorded video will be saved on your device. Now that you have it on your device, the next thing to do is to actually edit the video to remove the parts that you don't want, like the beginning parts where you were still trying to set up and all of that, and maybe the ending parts if some SS is actually entered. So to do this, you're going to use CapCut. I recommend using CapCut because CapCut is pretty easy to use and it's beginner friendly, plus the basic features are actually free. So to get CapCut, you just need to go to your Play Store. Once you head to your Play Store, type in CapCut, you will see CapCut, click on it, click on install. Now once you install CapCut, you just need to launch it. Once you launch it, you'll be greeted with an interface where you see new projects with a plus icon. So you just need to click on the plus icon and locate the recorded video. Once you find the recorded video, click on add. It will automatically bring it to your timeline. So once you bring the video to your timeline, what you need to do is to scroll through to find where the video starts, like where you want the video to start. Once you find that place, place your playhead on that particular place and click on edit where you have the scissors icon. Then once you click on edit, click on split. Then click on the parts that you don't want and hit the delete. So once you tap the delete icon, the parts that you don't want will go off. Then you will have only the parts that you want. You can also go to the end of the clip and do the same if there are SSEs. Once you've done that, that simply means your clip is ready. But if you want to spice it up, it's still okay. You can even add a background music. Before you add any background music, ensure that the background music is copyright free. Just keep watching. By the end of the video, I will show you I can get free background music to use for your video project if you want. You can also scroll through the clip to see places that you can add emojis or sound effects. It all depends, but with what you have right now, you're good to go. So all you have to do is to hit export and export the video. So that is one way to actually do it. Another way to create this kind of video, if you don't want to use screen recording, is to simply use your phone front camera to record yourself, a kind of selfie. So once you record yourself, and all you have to do is to also open your CapCut, import the downloaded clip, then click on overlay, then add overlay, then locate the selfie that you recorded and add it as an overlay. So once you bring it in, all you have to do is to use your finger to resize it and place it where you want to be. This one is easy. You don't really have much work to do in this one. I think it's even the one that I prefer. Once you position it, you're good to go. All you have to do is also hit export, except you want to add something like background music or sound effect. But if you want me to do a detailed tutorial on how you can add more things to the video, just drop a comment, then I will do that particular video for you. So like this particular video is also ready for you to go. Now you might have also seen some video where people say something before the video starts, and at the end of the video they also make a comment. Now this type of video is also easy to create. All you have to do is, once you've downloaded the clip that you want to share with people, you just need to record intro and outro. You can just hold your phone or place it anywhere that it is suitable. Once you place it there, all you have to do is just to say, hello viewers, I found this interesting clip that I'd love to share with you. Whatever thing you want to say, you just need to record it, but ensure that it is not too long, because nobody wants to watch your long talk. They want to get into the video almost immediately. So all you have to do is to record it, then also record your outro, like, oh, now that you've watched the video, you like it, right? Oh yeah, click and share. Those kind of things. It all depends on what you actually want. So once you've done that, all you have to do is to import the 3 clips accordingly. So you go back to CapCut, click the plus icon and select the 3 clips accordingly: the intro, the clip that you want to share with people, and your outro. Once you click the 3 of them and you bring them to timeline, that is it. You can add transitions if you want. All you have to do is to go to effects and look for transitions to add, but it is not necessary. Once you bring them in, you're good to go. You can also add an overlay. The recording you did as a selfie, you can also bring it as an overlay, like I showed you previously. So it's not just that you're not just going to talk and walk away, but after talking and the clip start playing, then your face is still showing on the clip all throughout. This one makes it more authentic and more real. So in that case, you're not going to have any copyright issues with Facebook. So this is the one you can also try if really you want to talk, and you don't really need to say much. It's just for you to say something, or something, you can think of anything to say. But then when you're doing this, please, you should also know the kind of comments you're going to. Don't go get somebody's clip and say something you're not supposed to say to avoid lawsuits. So it is important that you apply caution in whatever thing you are doing, because you don't want to get yourself into trouble while trying to hustle. These are basically how you can make money on Facebook by re-uploading other people's video. If you found this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more detailed tutorials like this. And if there's any tutorial that you would want me to cover up based on these things, please do well to leave a comment below. I promise that I'm going to show you where you can get free assets for your video. So check out this video here to actually find the websites where you can get free assets to use in your video. But if you will need my already downloaded copyright free sound effects and background music, also let me know in the comments so that I can make it available. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.